In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create polls in Slack with Poll Everywhere. Poll Everywhere is a great option when you want something more advanced than simple emoji reactions. It lets you run structured polls, collect responses in real time, and keep everything happening directly inside Slack, which makes participation much easier for your team. To get started, the first thing you need to do is connect Poll Everywhere to your Slack workspace. Open a desktop web browser, go to the Poll Everywhere website, and sign in to your account dashboard. From there, open your account settings so you can access the integration options tied to your profile. Once you're in settings, look for the area labeled Integrations or App Center. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the interface, but you're looking for the Slack integration. Open that panel, then click the button that says Connect to Slack or Authorize. At this point, a secure Slack authorization window will appear. Take a moment to review the permissions being requested so you understand what the integration can access. When you're ready, click Allow to approve the connection. This step creates the link between your Poll Everywhere account and your Slack workspace, which is what enables you to send interactive polls into channels. After the integration is connected, you can use the first method for launching a poll, which is ideal if you've already created activities in your Poll Everywhere dashboard ahead of time. Open Slack in the desktop app or in your browser and go to the channel where you want the poll to appear. Choose the conversation carefully so the right audience sees it, since the poll will post directly into that timeline. Next, click into the message field at the bottom of the channel. This is where you'll enter the Poll Everywhere /command, type /pollev, followed by the activity title or activity code for the poll you want to bring into Slack. Make sure you enter the correct title or code so Slack can call up the right activity from your Poll Everywhere account. Using a pre-made activity is especially helpful when you want to keep your meeting moving quickly. It also gives you a chance to prepare your wording, answer options, and structure in advance so everything looks polished when it appears for participants. Once you've entered the /command with the correct activity reference, you're ready to move forward with posting that activity into the conversation. That gives you a fast, streamlined way to launch formal polls inside Slack without making your team leave the workspace.